Hey everybody, I'm SuperMachine92. Welcome to episode 16 of Speedy Creativity Season 5. My apologies for not doing this at the moment today. I guess I couldn't keep my schedule in balance, or I'm just too lazy to do it at the time. But all that was gonna change, even though I forget sometimes. Anyways, today's character is another character from Volume 1, although he's one of the first 3 characters I created, and that's Splash Robot. Now, the Splash Robot is kind of a water-type machine. Well, yeah, that's why they call it Splash Robot. But he is one of the first 3 characters alongside with Yellow Kid and Light Cannon. Since both of them are in there, so why not add in the 3rd character in the first 3? Which is a cool idea. But I'm gonna add 2 different colored markers to the mix. That way I wouldn't have to mess up his face. So with all that said, I found another color that is identical to blue a little, and added a little water, and I didn't forget the number too as well, which is the number of the episode. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this colorful splash robot. And although on Thursday we're gonna create another returning character from season 4 who's also in Infinite Creation Volume 1, and that's Cream Cone. Good thing I decided to save the best one for Thursday. That is it for today. I'm SuperMachine92, and this is Speedy Creativity Season 5. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.